Hi, I'm Al, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to add a second device to your existing account. First, I need to enter my email. Then I need to accept the terms and conditions and click on Next. Now, I have received an email in my mailbox. I need to find that email and click on Confirm. This will take me to the app and give me the option to approve from another phone. Click on it and I'll receive a push on my existing phone. Approve from my existing phone, unlock, and now my new phone is set up. That's it.